Supreme Court saying that no bar on same-sex couples adopting. The Supreme Court going on to state that individual rights untouched by cohabitation. Top Court's significant observation. The Supreme Court has junked the National Child Rights Body's objection. So that's the huge development that's coming in as far as the significant development is concerned. What we can tell you so far is that the Supreme Court has said no bar in same-sex couples adopting children. My colleague Harish joins me on the broadcast over the phone lines. Harish, good afternoon. Clearly a big step there by the Supreme Court in terms of making these comments, saying that no bar in the same-sex couples adopting the children, because earlier also we had seen what the NCPCR had said. Talk to us on this development that's coming in.
Yes, these are significant oral observations made by the Constitution Bench led by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, who is hearing a batch of petitions seeking legalization of same-sex marriages. The court has said, orally observed, that there is no bar in same-sex couples adopting children. Individuals' right to adopt is untouched by cohabitation status. Right as an individual shall continue irrespective of the cohabitation status, it be heterosexual, live-in or same-sex marriage. Remember, NCPCR had said same-sex couples should not be allowed to adopt. NCPCR had said it could affect the child's personality or psychological growth. And let me, for the benefit of our viewers, read out what the Chief Justice exactly said. The bench said, orally observed, that law and regulatory regime permits single person to adopt a child, or law recognizes the right of single individual to adopt, and it has nothing to do with what is the person's relation. But your circular says if you are in living partners, you cannot adopt a child even as a single individual. Rights as an individual shall continue irrespective of the cohabitation status, it be heterosexual, live-in or same-sex marriage, is what Chief Justice said. NCPCR contended that adoption of children be not allowed by same-sex couples, as it would affect their overall personality growth and would have psychological impact on them. But Chief Justice maintained that once the law and regulatory regime permits single persons to adopt, the Supreme Court cannot stop it. The Chief Justice very clearly said that when an individual has a right to adopt, it's not affected by his cohabitation status, whether he be in heterosexual relationship, whether he be in live-in relationship, or if he is in a same-sex relationship. So very significant observation coming in from the Supreme Court as far as adoption rights of same-sex couple is concerned. Remember, why it is important is because NCPCR had said court should not allow same-sex couples to adopt children.